WordPress versus Blogger, which one is better? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will do a side-by-side comparison between the two of the most popular platforms to use when it comes to blogging. WordPress versus Blogger. My goal is to help you decide which is better platform for your needs. If you want to start a blog, you need to consider the features to look for in your blogging tool. Before I begin the WordPress versus Blogger comparison, let me cover first some important things to look for when choosing a blog platform. First, ease of use. You need a simple and easy to use platform to quickly set up your blog, add content, and grow your audience. Second, flexibility. You need a platform that lets you add more features or use more resources as your blog grows. Third, support. You may need support while creating your blog, designing, or managing it. If you get stuck or have questions, you'll want to get help as quickly and easily as possible. Aside from those, you also need to consider platform cost, available design options, SEO optimization features for traffic, and more. So now let's compare how WordPress and Blogger provide these requirements. So first, what is WordPress? WordPress is free open source software that allows you to easily create a website, blog, or online store. Started in 2003, WordPress now powers more than 43% of all websites on the internet. You can download the WordPress software for free and use it on as many sites as you want. To create a blog in WordPress, you will need to buy a hosting plan and a domain name, so you can install WordPress. It sounds a bit complex at first, however, it is pretty simple with tons of user friendly tutorials on WordPress Beginner and other sites. Now let's also discuss what is the Blogger. Blogger is a free blog hosting service that lets you create a blog without paying anything. You also get a free Blogspot subdomain. So your blog address will be something like www.yourblogname.blogspot.com. That will be your subdomain. However, you can also use a custom domain name with your blog. For that, you'll need to register a domain name through third-party domain registrars. It means you need to buy your own domain from third party. Then connect it to your Blogger blog. So now let's talk about ease of use, Blogger versus WordPress. Blogger is a simple blogging tool where you can create a blog in just a few minutes. You'll need a Google account to get started. Go to the Blogger website and then sign up with your Google account. After that, click the Create New Blog option. Next, you can choose your display name, then create a blog title, blog address, and a theme. Once you've done that, your blog will be set up. Next, you can configure your blog settings, edit your blog layout, and add posts. The setup process in Blogger is pretty simple. However, if you want to customize your theme, that's a lot trickier. To change your blog design in Blogger, you'll need HTML skills or web development skills, and this can be so hard for beginners who don't have any skills in HTML or web coding. While in WordPress, setting up a blog in WordPress is simple and quick process as well. You won't need any coding skills. You just need to know how to point and click on the computer screen to set up WordPress and install WordPress plugins. So once you set up everything, you can choose a WordPress blog theme that's good fit for your blog. A theme is like a template for your blog. It controls how your blog looks. After that, you can install the best WordPress plugins to give your WordPress blog more features. Adding content to WordPress is simple with a system of posts and pages. You can easily create text content, add images, videos, and other media to your WordPress posts and pages using the intuitive block editor. Aside from the block editor, WordPress has the option of drag and drop page builders that let you customize absolutely everything. While the setup process of Blogger is quicker, WordPress make it much easier to customize things to look exactly how you want it. So for ease of use, I can say WordPress is the winner. Now let's talk about ownership. Blogger is a blogging service provided by the tech giant Google. It is free, reliable, and has enough features to easily publish your content on the web. However, it is not owned by you. Google runs this service and has the right to shut it down or shut down your access to it at any time. It's just like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, which can ban people or suspend their accounts without warning. Even if you don't do anything wrong, you could still lose your blog if Google decide to stop supporting Blogger. Google has a history of abandoning projects without warning before. So it's not really a good thing for a serious blogger or for those people who are seriously doing blog posts. So, how about WordPress? Who owns your blog on WordPress? With WordPress, you use WordPress hosting provider to host your site. You are free to decide how long you want to run your blog. It won't be shut down without warning. When you use WordPress for your site, you own all your data and you control what information you share with any third party. Now let's talk about flexibility. Blogger is designed to be simple blogging tool. That means the things you can do on your Blogspot blog are limited. Blogger has a setup of built-in gadgets that let you add features like advertising, subscription, links, a contact form, and more. But these gadgets have limited functionality. They are all provided by Google. While WordPress is open source software, so you can easily extend it to add new features. You can add almost any feature imaginable to your WordPress blog with plugins and third party integration. There are thousands of free and premium WordPress plugins that allow you to usually modify and extend default features. For example, you can use plugins like, for example, add an online store to your website, create a membership community, make a pop up to capture visitors' email addresses, add social sharing buttons, and more. So for this video, I can say WordPress is much better than the Blogger. But if you are just trying if blogging is your thing, then to try it, make use of Blogger since it's for free. But if you are serious doing blog, then WordPress is the most recommended. So I guess that's all for today's video and thank you so much for watching.